Yo, yo, yo! Welcome to my first stream. Yeah, well, the first stream where I show my face and where I use my microphone, etc. Today we're gonna kill the gold. Let's see. Okay, London is almost opening. 30 seconds. Let me make a top-down analyze. What the fuck is this? This is nothing. Yeah, because of the war in Iran, we started the week again with a gap. Some bullshit, guys. It's very unclear the direction of gold right now. So many uncertainties with Iran, Trump. Let's see. So I start the day for trading first with drawing my lines, so for support and resistance, and then from the support and resistance I start to look for opportunities for buy or sell. I think that the gap here will be filled because we have a big gap here, so probably that's gonna be filled, but I don't know. With gold you can only wait and see. You cannot really predict, but yeah, let's see what happens. I trade mostly the 15 time frame, 15 minutes or the 30. So I will look at that, but the higher time frames is giving me a kind of a bias to know, okay, this will happen or that will happen, big chance for that. But this is some dog shit price action right now. We really need to wait. You could force it here. Wait. Could force it here. Maybe like this. But it is not smart to do that. You will be forcing your trade. So that's why we're gonna wait here. See what happens. So I will say buy above there and sell below here. also not a lot of volume right now. This is important, guys. This is the first thing now I will do with my challenges. I have 4 top step challenges right now, and with my 4 top step challenges I'm copy trading them, and so that I don't make any stupid mistakes, I will lock my risk settings for today. So that means I cannot spend or lose more than $300 right now. If I lose more than $300, my account will be automatically liquidated and blocked. So TopStep's risk futures are really protecting me. I think I already have like 40 or 50 YouTube streams, but it was all TikTok is blocking me again. Anyway, this is my first stream where I show my face, and where I do it with microphone. So maybe I'm a little bit nervous about it, but it's still good. And to be honest, I'm doing it for myself because I make sometimes stupid mistakes. I think like all traders. I'm now trading like for 1 year, 1 year and a half, I guess. And what I see is that I make sometimes over trading or do something like revenge trading, and yeah, I'm really sick of that. And I have enough payouts from TopSap and other places, but you know, I need to stop over trading. And with this YouTube stream, I hope to be more accountable. So I will not make any stupid mistakes because people maybe will watch me. So yeah, that's the reason I started. It's just following my own journey online. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Yo, 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 on the bug. I don't know how you say it. Where am I looking for at this moment? Hey, Ankit. How are you, bro? You're the first one with who I'm talking right now in my stream. I hope we can make some money today. I really think we're gonna fill this gap. But with the volume right now, I don't know. I'm not sure about it. These are really dog shit price action. This is 20 pips. The opening candle for London Open is only 50 pips. Asia, it's really nice trade. Look at this. Beautiful. But I don't see anything right now for London. At least not with gold. Oh wow. Also a nice gap on NQ I see. Yeah, to be honest, I don't like to trade NQ at London Open because it can give you less volume, and because I am trading price action, there's a big chance that you will be get fingered this with this. Because right now, for example, I would say, okay, if it breaks this resistance lines, you can say, okay, from here I take, so if this candle closes like this, and you say, okay, the next candle make wick down, and then you buy here, and you say, okay, I'm gonna long that gap. But because it's a London Open, it's NQ, there's a big chance that this will not happen because volume is not there, or it will fill, but it will fill like this: up, down, up, down, down, up, down, like that. And then you will be hit your stop losses every fucking time. That's why I don't like to trade NQ right now. Yo, Christian. What's up, bro? What did crude oil? Wow. So this is something we're gonna feel at the gas station again. Unbelievable. Yeah, I saw it in Discord, bro. This is what it is. I think you did good by looking out. It doesn't matter. And you know, to be honest, your day starts more early than us. You already cited Asia. Yo, Arthur. Thank you, bro. Don't make any memes about me, please. Thank you. You know, in July, I will go back to Bali, Christian. And then I will live there again for at least 6 months. And with that, he says, show us your Lambo. Maybe after like 1 or 2 years, who knows? And to be honest, you know, I'm already 35, so for me, Lambo, I don't really care about it. I care more about living with my family right now. I have two little kids. They are my son is almost 4, and I have a daughter of 7 years old. And last year we were in Bali, at least for 7 months. And it was so nice to hang out with them. I had so much more time with the kids. Like that was for me more richer than I will ever have with Lambo. Of course, it will be nice to drive a Lambo, but I don't really care anymore about materialistic things. For me, it is more enjoying the family. So yeah, I'm doing this to have bring more time with my kids. We'll see. Yes, I already said about NQ. It's the same also for crude oil. There's nothing here. It's not smart to trade this. So patience game with gold, nothing else. We'll see. We can only wait here. Definitely, Christian. I agree with that. Memories are more important than uh, all that materialistic things. My daughter will only be once 7 years old. My son will only be once 4 years old. But Lambo, cars, houses, there will always plenty of them, but not the ages you have right now. So I have enough energy and time to bring to enjoy them. So that's for me right now more important. So, but with trading, I have also my own online agency, so I make already good money. I can take care of my family, so that's all good. But I need to have. I really want to have trading working out because I believe this is more future. With online agency, I have I'm building websites, I'm building apps, I'm building other kinds of projects. I'm doing SAO, SAA, like all these advertising things, and to be better find with Google. So all those things I'm doing fine, but there's also a risk that is coming, and that is AI. AI will take care of so many things. Right now, I have good business. I'm not worried about it right now, but I know with 1, 2 years, AI will take more and more for my job. So I need to have second plan, a B plan, C plan. So I need to see what I can do. That said, while we're waiting for the trade, I'm gonna work a little bit because I have 3 screens right now. I have one big screen here. I have one small screen below the big screen. That's where my charts are open, and my MacBook is here. I have one Lucid funded account right now. Oh yeah, that's good that you remember me, because I can also trade them. Let me check. Yeah, I fucked up this one. I've still this one. And so this is trade C. But trade C is really very, very bad platform. So incredible buggy, that's not normal. So that's why I bought 4 new accounts with Topstep, with Lucid. Lucid on its own as prop firm is really great. They have very good support team. They reply very fast to your questions. But the platform Tradesy, so wow, that's really, really bad. and I don't know if you remember, I already managed before, I already told you before, I had some issues, like I think 2-3 weeks ago with Tracy. I had opened a trade, and the trade did go up. I was longing the trade, so I had a buy order. It was going up. So I took my positions for 3 accounts simultaneously because I was copy trading them. So I put 3 accounts on break even, and suddenly the trade closed with minus 503. I think it was $500. Yeah, $500 in loss. So I contacted Lucid about it. I said, "Yo, what the fuck is this?" I was break even and I still managed to lose $500. And then they said, yeah, because it was contract changing or something else. I don't know. It was really stupid. So I told them I didn't agree with them. So I contacted Lucid, and Lucid said, well, no, you cannot do anything. You need to contact Tracy. If they say yes, the platform had issues, that's why the loss happens, then we can help you. So I contacted Tracy again. I said, no, you need to help me out because it's not true. And then they stopped replying me. They didn't reply anymore to my messages, Tracy. So I wrote again to Lucid. I said, yo, Tracy is ghosting me. They are not helping me out anymore. Now, today, they replied from Lucid and they said, you know what, we're gonna reset 3 accounts of you. So, because Tracy is not helping you out, we will help you out. So, that said, I have again 3 new Lucid challenges. I need to, I will start with them also soon. I don't know. But that was really great from Lucid. Yeah, we really need to wait. Nothing here. Thank you, Enke. I'm a big fan of you guys. No news today, so that's good, I think, or not for the volume. I don't know. Guys, don't forget to like my stream so more people who's boring can watch me. So I'm streaming it multiple places right now. I'm streaming it Kick, Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. So at 4 platforms altogether. And what I see right now is that this messing up with my CPU usage. So everything on my MacBook is slow right now. So doing my normal work is really affecting. I see. I didn't expect that. Yeah. So first 30-minute closed with the London Open. As you can see, this is nothing. Every trade with or strategy price action, you will lose. Nothing will happen here. Or it is just gambling, you know? You could say, hey, it is reacting for my AMA. So we have two top wicks. It can go down from here. But you could also say, hey, it will create new bottom wick, and from that bottom wick it will go back up and fill this wick till the next resistance. So it is not clear for me right now. I cannot take any trades like this. I need to see a better market structure before I can do anything. And if this will fall from here now, it's okay. It is what it is. What can I do about it? It's no problem because it is not fitting my rules. And I have made so many mistakes by forcing trades and not respecting my rules. So I will not do that again right now. I will wait. You see what it is doing? So for example, if we did enter this trade here, it went down 30 pips. But our risk would be at least around 55-60 pips. So for one-on-one risk ratio, it need to come here. Maybe it will, but still it was really not according my strategy. Crazy. Anyway, let's work. Krisha, no, you sent me $100, please. I spend too much money right now on prop firms. We need to get some payouts first. Yeah, I guess so. Right now, to be honest, I've spent more money on prop firms than I have received payouts. I have blown so many accounts, it's not normal. But since November, December, or start of the year, I don't know, right? Then I've started to be more profitable, to receive more payouts, and to make some money. But still, if I would calculate everything, I'm still in a loss. But that's okay. End of the year we will have make more money than we have spent. I'm sure about that. And now you guys can also keep me accountable with my Discord link from here. You know, we are here to help each other. Wow, my MacBook, I have MacBook Pro from 3 years ago, I think. It's getting so slow right now because I'm streaming. It was no problem when I was streaming only to YouTube and TikTok, but right now, with the same software, I can also stream to Twitch and Kick. I just wanted to try it to maybe reach more people, but it is really annoying because my MacBook is getting slow, and I have really good system here. Fucking god, look at it. Doing absolutely nothing. Do you guys hear my music? I hope not. Because TikTok is doing bad things when they hear music. You get immediately blocked. Wow. Look at that dodgy candle at 1 hour. Gold, what do you want? Going up or down? What is NQ doing? Oh, wow. You know, that's what I said. So, NQ only moves with New York. So right now, you can see... yeah, wait. Am I still live at YouTube? Oh yeah, I'm still live. Anyway, so what I was saying, with NQ, the volume is just messing up with your head. Like, it could be that you're thinking, yeah, it's gonna fill this gap now, so you would enter here because this is like an impulse entry, you know. So yeah, you think, yeah, now I have to trade to fill this gap, and then boom, it just go down back in the range. And I wouldn't take this sell because of two things. One, this candle didn't break this one, and on the 30 it's also very dodgy. Yes and no, to be honest, on 30 it looks better than on the 50. Like on 30 you could say, yeah, I'm gonna take this sell. Why not? I have taken a lot of trades like this before, but just the volume, I just don't trust NQ volume with London. It gets so easy, so choppy. So, you know, I'm like, okay, whatever, I'm leaving it. Crazy. Nothing. Maybe I will also stream with New York, but I'm not sure. Yo, Tegas. Yeah, kind of Forex. It is gold right now, so XAUUSD. But I trade from futures accounts. But it is gold, so. For my full screen, you can go to YouTube. We can do nothing here. The 4-hour on top step never opens immediately. It's so laggy. It takes for hours before it opens. It's also so dodgy. You have nothing with this. Just waity. I know it is boring, like waiting for the exact trades, especially on the higher time frames when you trade on the 15 or the 30 minute. But you know, gold is very volatile, so you will take a lot of risk by forcing trades, especially if the volume is not kicking in. And London is dog shit the last few weeks, maybe months. So it is not smart to force the trades here right now. Just do your things, draw your lines, or whatever strategy you use, and sit on your hands. Just wait. No trades means that I didn't lose. And you always need to come to the charts with the mindset, okay, there's a probability that I will lose money today. And then wait. And then try to not lose the money. It's funny, I finished right now a different job that I'm doing. Like I told before, I have my own online agency, marketing agency. So I just finished some design work for a customer of mine. Well, I'm waiting for any possible trade that will be come or not come. So guys, don't just do some other things when waiting. Because if you only focus on the charts, you will start to see trades that are not that's not there. You will force trades. Don't do it. Just do something else. Scroll on your phone, read a book, do something else. It would be nice to have a winner on my first stream like this, but if not, then not. I really need new coffee, but it's downstairs. What was I doing? Oh yeah. So boring. I guess boring is good. This candle didn't even create any topic, like nothing. It just went down like 90 pips. But we have new microstructure here, new resistance. Thank you, Fleuron, for the like. It's the first one I received from TikTok, so. Guys, for a price action strategy, don't take any trades right now, okay? I wouldn't recommend it. Gold will hunt for your stop losses. Look at this. In the range. Barcode. Barcode. Nothing. So we keep waiting. Yo, Georgia. Yeah, nothing is happening. We just wait. I need coffee. I need to go down. Nothing, bro. Just waiting. Really bad price action again today with London. I guess because there's also no news. It's Monday, and a lot of things happened on the weekend again. So we just wait. Yeah, I'm also gonna close almost because there's nothing here. Oh, there's nothing here. But I can work while I'm waiting, so that's why I'm a little bit lucky, I guess, because my job is on the laptop, on my computer. So while I'm waiting for anything happen on my small screen below, I'm just working on my big screen, so it's okay for me, you know. But the volume is already so low that I'm almost sure it will not be more than this in the upcoming hours. So probably I wait for 1 or 2 candles and then I close my live also. That's good, man. That's really good from you. Less attraction, more discipline. I sound like a guru, but it's like I've more spent right now than I've more made with trading. But we will be there. We will. And you know, I was talking with my spouse about it yesterday. I checked out the first video ever from Daniel. You know, Daniel Holmes trading. And it was really, really inspirational because that guy started in around July 2024 with streaming, and you can see where he is now after like 2 years. 2 years. It is crazy. And he made that all with trading. At least he started making it all with trading, and I really think he's inspirational. I learned price action from his live videos. It helped me a lot, and later also his Discord group. But that's also where I met a lot of you guys. Um, I think it for me at least it was very inspirational because he's around my age, also 34 or 35 if I remember good, and he just started to streaming to be more accountable for his actions, and that's also the same for me. I'm not doing this so I can be the new influencer, the new guru for trading, because I'm not a person like that. But I just want to have some financial freedom with this. And what he did, where he is now, it was very inspirational for me. So, yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is actually the same, you know. Daniel and Raja. Raja was his mentor. He's also mentioned Raja in his first video ever. Like uh, he wants to be friends with Raja. He wants to meet Raja once in his life and things like that. And 1 year later, when he moved to Dubai, he met Raja. They did some activities. They made podcasts together, and that's why it was so inspirational for me because uh, he had a vision. He tried multiple things, Daniel, in his life, and later he said, "Okay, now trading it. This will be my end goal, and I want to meet Raja. I want to do this. I want to that." 1 year later, 1.5 year later, 2 years later, he is where he wants to be. Also, very simple, just price action, draw two lines and wait for any break of the support or resistance and then take action, execute your plan. For me, my win rate, not that it is very important, but my win rate was around is around 70-80% most of the times. But I can win like 1 week, 2 weeks, and then I can lose everything in one day because I'm doing over trading, revenge trading, and things like that. So I don't want to make any stupid mistakes like that anymore, and that's why I'm streaming now. So yeah, you guys can see me if I take any emotional actions, and I just don't want to become the new me. So I will not do that. Yo, welcome back, bro. But yeah, to wrap it up, I think price action strategy from Daniel and from Raja, it's almost identical. Raja is doing more on the 30 minute than on the 15, but it's almost identical. And I just try to be like them at this moment, to be to trade like them, to win like them, and hopefully one day we'll see. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Like they say, one to trades per day. That's what I also try to do now. Like I know my mistakes. I know what I'm doing wrong. So I know what not to do anymore. So I will try to do that. I hope so, bro. We all will. It's funny because I know all the basic things. I know I've read a lot of psychology books and YouTube videos and things like that. I know how to trade. I know which mistakes I'm making, but our brain is working like, okay, but you will still make the same mistakes, and it feels very childish for especially when you write about it, like when you start to journal about it, okay, I lost today, but then I took one more trade, but I shouldn't do that. And then when I'm writing that, I'm like, why the fuck did I even do it then? It's so stupid. So yeah, hopefully new week, new me, new Monday. Let's see how it goes because I know I can do it if I just keep respecting my rules. We will make it. I think we all made all the new starters. Like I'm also trading now for 1 year, 1.5 I think, and I know how to trade. I just make a lot of mistakes, but yeah, I trust myself. The luckiest thing I have, it is not my main income right now. I have my own business and that's doing great. I'm just looking for second income with trading actually. Cheapviewerstreambull.com. Wow. It looks bearish right now. Or not. The 4 hours at least bearish. To be honest, I don't want to trade anymore. I don't see anything. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close. I'm also getting tired by looking at multiple screens right now. And I still need new coffee. Yeah, nothing is happening. Because... And then there was volume. I just wanted to say, because of before I can do anything, this one really need to break this. So I can say, okay, I will do something now. Like going up again or going down, I don't know. Or this one needs to break this one. But with the volume right now, I'm almost sure nothing will happen. So I will close the stream. and then wait, I will first log out, so you will see me also logging out, like for 1 hour. Yes, log me out. Now I cannot take any trades for at least 1 hour, and I will not take any trades till New York, and at New York we can start again. Okay. Okay, see you guys. It was fun streaming this way. My first ever stream like this. And yeah, see you next time. Maybe with New York. See you. Bye bye.